Hi there traders, and welcome back to the Keyzone Traders trading tips and frequently asked questions series. So this week we're going to cover another one of the frequently asked questions that I get asked a lot, and that is what instrument should I be trading? What asset class should I be trading when I very first start my trading journey? So that is what we're going to answer in this week's frequently asked questions. Okay, so obviously there's many different assets and many different styles of trading that you can get involved in when you very first start. So it's really important to identify the one that is going to be most appropriate for yourself. So personally, I would recommend something that is high in liquidity. It means that there's a lot of volume that's traded in that asset. And these would be your sort of your generally very well-known assets. So if you was trading indices, it would be like the FTSE 100 or the DAX or the S&P 500. If it was in Forex, then you'd be trading something like Euro US dollar, Euro Japanese yen, British sterling versus US dollar, those really high liquidity sort of Forex pairs. If you're trading commodities, this would look like something like oil or gold. If you're trading stocks, you want to stick to the ones that have really high amounts of volume. So your Apples, your Vodafones, your Googles, those sorts of really high Teslas, those really high liquidity sort of assets. Now, I would also recommend when you very first start trading to look at an asset class or an instrument that doesn't have huge swings and huge amounts of volatility, just while you're learning how to manage your risk. Now, this rules out things like cryptocurrencies, also stocks and shares, depending on what stocks you're going to trade. That can rule out a lot of stocks as well. So you really want to be sticking to some really high liquidity, sort of fairly low volatility instruments. So these would be your sort of GBP US dollar, Euro US dollar, your index markets, your S&P 500. They will enable you to get a good understanding of risk without putting too much of your account at risk if you make a mistake. So it's really vital that those are the sorts of characteristics that you actually look at. So if you want any more advice, please drop some comments in the box below, in the comments box. I'm happy to answer any questions. I hope this has proved useful. Stay safe trading, and I'll speak to you soon.